This is cube root of 7 equals to this and this. So to do it now, now arrange this one to be 7 raised to power 1 over 3 and be equals to 49 power of 2x divided by 7 to power 1, so that your work will be easy. So 7 power 1 over 3 will be equals to 49. 49 is 7 squared. So you have 7 whole squared whole to the power of 2x divided by 7 to the power 1. Let's continue. This one will become 7 to the power 1 over 3 equals to 7 to the power 4x minus 1. Lower indices. So this and this will go. What you have here will be 1 over 3 equals to 4x minus 1. So from there, 4x will be equals to 1 over 3 plus 1. If you add it now, what do you get? Let's just do it practically. So the SM is 3. 3 here, 1, this one, 1 plus 3. So 4x will be equals to 4 over 3. We don't suffer ourselves. So this 4 and this 4 will cancel out. So x will be equals to 1 over 3. And that's the final answer. All right.